Anyway, I wanted to tell you, the Rhythm palm that I had, the pink one, I did not lose it. And I was really proud of myself that I hadn't lost it. It just kind of like disappeared. And so I got another one. And it's a black one. Didn't have any more of the pink ones, but that's okay. Hopefully my pink one will show up, and then I'll have two. I wanted to kind of explain how it goes, and I showed you the box that it came in just now. These are the two screw. They're like little, I don't know if you can see that or not. They're like little attachments that go onto the bottom of your vape cartridge. This is your vape cartridge. Comes in this package right here, which was easy to open for once. It's the vape package. Wait, when you get your vape out of the package, you need to take this rubbery thing off, and it just kind of like flips off. I bit my fingernails off, so it's kind of harder for me now. You're gonna take that screw little thing and you screw it to the bottom of this, and it's going to drop down into your cartridge like that, and it attaches, and then you have it. And I love this thing. It's tiny. I mean, it's discreet because you can hold it in your hand like this. And vape is awesome. And it comes with a charger as well. And it will run you, I think it was $24. I'll have to look at my receipt, but I'm pretty sure it's about $24. And you can get that at Salvio in Canton, Illinois. Salvio plug. Okay,